Hi everyone, welcome to this promo video for SQL Script AMDP and CDS Mastery course, which is also known as Essence of Abap on Hana or Abap on Hana Advanced. I'm going to start this course from 1st of February 2023, morning 7 a.m. on weekdays from Monday to Friday. Let's see who is going to be the target audience. One, who is a ABAP developer or consultant with 1 year to 10 plus year of experience. For them, this course is important. Like if you are not having the experience or knowledge about this CDS, AMDP, and SQL script topic. For functional consultant who wants to learn easy in depth about the CDS and AMDP, and for the management people who wants to be familiar with the CDS and AMDP. Now, let's quickly go and see what I'm going to cover and what are some bonuses along with this course I'm going to give you. So, coming to this part, it's going to be around 30 hours of content, timing 7 to 8:30 a.m. morning from Monday to Friday as told from 1st February, that means from next month. In the class 1, I will be starting with the SQL script, important data types of SQL script, what are the different types of containers. We'll be starting with the anonymous function examples. Then SQL script construct, if else statement we will learn, what is while loop with between clause, and then how to create the temporary table and use in the SQL script. In the class 3, we'll be learning about the database cursor, parameterized DB cursor, SQL exception, handling SQL exception with the help of example, and how to handle a exception for a specific error code. Then in class 4, we will be learning about multiple exception handling together, how to do that, trim array and cardinality concept for array, then why db cursor, what is the use of db cursor, this also will be looking into, and then the different db system variables and all we are going to see. In the class 5, how to debug a stored procedure, we will see how to create a table, what is user-defined functions, what is table UDF, SQL script for a ABAP developer from internal table perspective. This also we are going to discuss in detail, and that's the essence of this particular course so that any ABAP developer can use the SQL script from ABAP point of view, and they will be able to write the code using AMDP with the help of SQL script. Example, how to declare an internal table. This we will be looking into. Search internal table and get the index, number of count in the internal table, existence check, record count and insert, how to check if a table is empty, and upsort statement. So all the internal table operations with the help of SQL script we are going to see. In the class number 7, we are going to learn about the date functions and different other functions, what is set and unset, what how to use default null and not get the dump while fetching the data from the table and using the scalar variable. Except operator we are going to see, and in the class 8 we are going to learn about the AMDP, why AMDP, what is AMDP, and then the various flavor of AMDP using for loop, how the MDP gets converted into the stored procedure at the DB layer. Those concepts we will be learning. We'll be looking into what is the declarative statement and imperative statement. Then using the data element, how we can use a data type in the AMDP, how to call a procedure from another procedure in the AMDP, then AMDP function. For all this, we will be demonstrating using OIA scenario, which is based upon the EPM model, that is Enterprise Procurement Model. So in AMDP, we are going to write the OIA scenario using SQL script. Then we will try to understand what is DB procedure proxy. However, it's obsolete now. And then we will move into CDS, what, why, and how. We are going to learn CDS in very much detail, as the future of SAP technology is CDS, the core data services. It's used at many different places. From the reusability point of view, this is king. So CDS will be used in a report, in RESTful application programming, and the CDS concept also will be used in the CAPM. Then CDS will be used in your UI5 and Fury development. So CDS is omnipresent. So we are going to see the CDS in very much detail from scratch to advanced. Under the class 11, some common questions about the CDS from interview point of view we are going to see. Then we are going to see SQL view and CDS view, and then the various annotations about the CDS. Under class 12, we will be discussing about the aggregate functions in CDS and then the CDS with parameter. In the class 13, we are going to learn CDS table functions and association. Under the class 14, we are going to learn path expression, ad hoc association, and exposed association. Then inner join in association using inner keyword. So we can convert the association into inner join with the help of this inner keyword. So that we are going to see. And for each concept, we will be having a example. With the help of that, we will try to understand. In the class 15, we are going to learn case and when in CDS. Then how with the help of CDS we can generate the OData service. In the class number 16, we'll be learning about the virtual data model, then basic, composite, and consumption in a more detail with the help of example. In the class number 17, we are going to learn about this CDS table functions. It's repeated over here, but nothing to worry. Like the second concept here, develop a transactional app using the CDS and BOPF. This we are going to see. In the class 19, we will be looking into the CDS performance, and in class 20, we will be learning about the Fury elements list report, Fury elements and master detail report. This we will understand how we can develop. So some of the topics which I have not mentioned, I will be taking them during the class, and whenever possible I will introduce this. So whatever it is mentioned, that for sure I'm going to cover, and apart from this also I will try to cover some extra topics related with CDS and AMDP. Along with this, I will be giving you the bonus courses Abap on Hana interview question and answer. Then you will be having the inner circle community access where you can engage with my other students. And then we have the weekly inner circle live call access where you can ask any kind of doubts if you have there. So after the live class also, I'm accountable in case if you were not able to attend the session in live, then you can go and ask the question in the inner circle call, and I will be able to give you the answer. From the fee point of view, this is the actual fee 12,999, but for the first 10 students, I have kept 9,999. After 10 students, this fee may increase. So I will be giving the link in the description box. Just go and check it out, and let's meet on 1st of February and start learning SQL script, AMDP and CDS, and be master in that. Thank you very much.